Integrating Uniswap V3 into your project allows you to tap into the largest decentralized exchange protocol on Ethereum, providing users with a seamless experience for swapping tokens. To begin, you need to understand the core concepts of Uniswap V3, including liquidity pools, tick-based system, and non-fungible tokens. First, set up your development environment by installing the necessary libraries and frameworks, such as Ethers.js and Web3.js. These tools enable you to interact with the Ethereum blockchain and Uniswap V3 protocol. Familiarize yourself with the Uniswap V3 smart contract addresses and application binary interface, or ABI. Next, connect to the Ethereum network using a provider like Infura or Alchemy. This allows you to read and write data to the blockchain. Create a new instance of the Uniswap V3 contract using the ABI and contract address. You can then use this instance to query the contract and execute functions. To integrate Uniswap V3, you will need to implement functions for swapping tokens, providing liquidity, and managing positions. The Uniswap V3 protocol provides pre-built functions for these actions, which you can call from your contract instance. For example, you can use the swap function to exchange one token for another, or the add liquidity function to provide liquidity to a pool. When integrating Uniswap V3, consider best practices such as handling errors and exceptions, implementing robust security measures, and optimizing gas efficiency. It is also essential to thoroughly test your implementation to ensure it works as expected and does not introduce any vulnerabilities. By following these steps and considering key concepts and best practices, you can successfully integrate Uniswap V3 into your project and provide users with a secure and efficient way to swap tokens and manage liquidity. With Uniswap V3, you can unlock new possibilities for decentralized finance applications and create innovative use cases for your users.